Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an aesthetic walking photo frame using CapCut. It's a super cool and trendy effect and you can make it easily on your phone. So let's get started. First, just open CapCut like this and then import your video template or walking photo frame clip with a green screen like this. You can search for a clip like this online. Simply type a walking photo frame green screen like this, or you can record it yourself like the one I will show you at the end of this video. And then next we're going to remove the green screen. Just tap on clip and then go to remove background, this one, and then choose Chroma key and then just drag the color picker to green area like this, and then just adjust the intensity until the background disappears nicely. For example, like this. Then checklist. And then now let's make it look aesthetic. Import your aesthetic background. For example, I will be using a textured paper background like this. Like this. And then I will adjust the durations. And then just make the walking frame clip as an overlay like this. And then just place it on the main track like this. And next, let's start adding the photos. Import your first photo as an overlay. And then just crop it into a 4:3 ratio. Just go to crop this one and then choose 4:3 ratio, this one. And then position it the photo. And then just resize it and position it perfectly inside the first frame. For example, like this. And then just go to layers. And then just move the photo so it under the frame like this. So it will look like this. Like this. And then next, when it fits nicely, just add keyframes to animate the photo so it moves together with the walking frame. And on this tutorial, for example, just make it slide upward following the frame movement like this. Just add a keyframes at the start and then slide the timeline until the first frame is disappeared over here, and then just slide upward the photo until it disappears like this. Like this, so it will look like this. And then just simply repeat this step for all the other empty frames until every frame is filled with your photos. And okay, when you're done, your video will look like this. Okay, like this. That's it, your walking photo frame is done. You can continue editing to make it even more aesthetic, like add text overlays, sparkle effects, or cut out elements if you want. Just be creative and have fun with it. So that's how you can make an aesthetic walking photo frame video in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!